Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do like, share and subscribe so that you can get notified whenever I post another video. In today's video, I will be doing my sister's nails. So I have already pushed back her cuticles off camera. So now I am just cleaning her cuticle area with the nail drill. So now if we are going to for my nail tips, so I did buff her nails first to take off the shine before pasting my nail tips on her nail. So you have to file your nail first in order to remove the shine. Then that's when uzofaka amazipho wakho. So mina, when I put on my nail tips, when I put umuntu, I make sure that I hold the nail tips like on the sides, like I paste it like fully before I move on to another nail. Before I lay the colored acrylic, I always start with the clear acrylic first, then afterwards I come with the colored acrylic. coming to having finger, I am doing a glitter ombre. So I started by laying the cream acrylic, then afterwards I come in with the glitter. Then when I'm done putting everything is in place, I then encapsulate the nail. When you encapsulate, you're just laying the clear acrylic on top to cover the nail so that you don't take off the glitter when you are filing. So I will continue putting the colored acrylic to the rest of the nails, but then you won't see me doing that because I lost some of the footage while I was editing. So after putting on the acrylic, I will then go ahead and file, then buff, then put on the top coats and the cuticle oil. If you've watched till this far, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Please do like, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you on my next one.